jurisdiction, but the department's investigation shows that all DNA evidence is inadmissible.
This is a travesty. You realize I'm going to have to declare a mistrial.
It's in black and white.
Well, I'll let you explain it to the attorneys. They're on their way. Thank you all for coming. As you know, there's been a technicality, and I'm going to have Detective Watts explain it to you.
As you know, there's been an ongoing investigation into the crime lab's protocol and procedures collecting DNA samples pertaining to homicide cases. This report contains those findings, and the conclusion that the police department came to was that all DNA evidence collected between November and June includes an inordinately great chance of having been compromised. Any murder case with DNA collected in this time period is unable to proceed. Unless there's evidence beyond DNA, the suspect must be released.
Judge, there were witnesses. We found the murder weapon, and he has no alibi.
What witnesses are you talking about? The homeless guy? They have no credibility. And what weapon? I mean, the murder weapon didn't have his fingerprints, so that couldn't be his. And you were not able to prove whether he was there or not. So what alibi? I mean, it's your fault.
This was a child, a 10-year-old child that he kidnapped, murdered, and threw away like garbage. You're not going to let this happen, Judge?
Wait a minute. According to the Supreme Court decision of 1989, the state of Maryland versus the Johnston, it is very clearly stated that if the lab reports are inconclusive, the court has to throw out the case. There cannot be any decision. And decisions out here are not based on emotions.
Hold on, wait a minute. We live in a country where we follow the rule of law. Our judicial system is set up and designed to protect the innocent until they are proven guilty. The report clearly indicates you have no case. As far as the law is concerned, there is nothing else we can do.
Do I know you from somewhere?